Welcome this video. Backyard studio idea. Create the perfect outdoor work space. A backyard studio is a fantastic way to add functional space to your home, whether for work, hobby, or relaxation. Those structure of privacy create and retreat for daily decision whether you are an art for write too much or someone how simple need a quick space. A backyard studio can be perfect solved below are sub inspire backyard studio idea allowing with key considering to make your space excellent. A modern minimalist studio for those who pair clean line and simplicity. A modern minimalist backyard studio is an excellent choice. This design explains size, functionally uncut space, and the natural color palette. Flow to window can fall the space